Today is the first day of the CFA August exam season, so let's talk about it. Here are 5 tips that are going to help you during the test to help you improve your score.
Tip number 1, skip questions you don't know. Remember, you have about 90 seconds per question, so if you don't immediately know how to solve it, move on and come back to it later. Remember that every question is worth the same amount of points, so don't let questions you don't know take time away from answering the ones you do. If you work quickly, you'll have enough time to go back to the ones you didn't answer at a later time. Tip number 2, be tidy with your notes. If you make messy notes, you'll waste time trying to find and understand the calculations you already wrote down. So when you're doing calculations on paper, always write down the number of the question you're working on and make it easy for you to go back and understand your notes. Also, keep a separate sheet of paper with questions you want to go back to. Tip number 3, pay attention to the wording of the question. Are they looking for most likely or least likely? If you're stuck between 2 answers that look right, read the question carefully again, because it's very likely that the key is in the wording. Tip number 4, take the break between the 2 sections. You might be tempted to run through both sections without taking the break in between, but you'll be putting your tired brain at a disadvantage. The break is there for a reason, so make the most of it. And finally, tip number 5, keep a positive attitude. A positive attitude during the test can truly make the difference. You already did your absolute best to prepare, so now it's all about staying calm, being efficient, and dare I say, having fun putting your knowledge to the test.
That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found these exam tips useful, and from everyone at Wall Street Notes, best of luck during exam season.